too. And I have a treat. This and this and this and grapes.
I have a tray for you. I have to give you dumpling. It's dumpling.
Can we touch? Oh my god.
It's so cool.
Okay, ito is my touch. Naparini daw ako. Open ko nga ito, ibibigay ko sa kanyang needle. Trade, I have a trade yun. Needle. Needle, I have trade.
I want to trade this bubble. I don't like it. I want the needle. I like needle. It's so cool.
You touch.
I want the needle. I want.
Akin na yan. Give me that.
I want to trade you dumplings.
Oh my god. Okay, accept.
And look. It's spilled.
Oh my god. It's the glitter.
What's this?
It's got the glitter.
It's not glitter. It's like a yellow.
Not, it's glitter.
Maybe. Ano kaya to? Color.
And then glitter.
Glitter daw.
Ito, oh, glitter.
Glitter daw.
Ito, ayan, tingnan mo. Oh, ganito ko pa, may lalabas yan. Oh, ayun, oh, glitter.
Eh, bakit? Eh, nakukuha nila yan lahat eh. Gusto ko.
Okay, I have the dumpling.
Kasi ano oras sila? Ano sa sarado?
Ha?
Ano oras sila sa sarado?
Mga 7 o'clock. Manggabi na, sasarado na sila kaagad. Bumili lang kasi kayo. Ito kayo. Kasi
Wala parang pera sa mga.
may quiz ka na nga eh.
Bibili ako daw pag meron pera sa Sabado ni Mama.
Wala naman kayo pasok. Okay, accept! Please! Yay! You are got the glitter.
Itong damo na ba?
Yes, so akin na yan. Balik mo na. Balik mo na yung needle ko. Sige na. Mang ayaw.